if you have been given a choice to either become parrot or eagle, what would you like to become? How many of you like to become parrot? And how many of you like to become eagle? Please raise your hand. If you want to be something, be eagle. But never be parrot in life. Parrots speak a lot, but cannot fly very high. But why eagle? Eagle speak very little, but he can fly very high. An eagle has a willpower to touch the sky. Parrot gift is to talk, and eagle gift is to fly. Good morning, fellow Toastmaster and dear guests. Today I will tell you some of the best mentalities and the habit of the eagle which we have to learn. And these are the most powerful mentalities and the attitude of the eagle. Lesson number 1. Eagle fly alone. Eagle never fly with the small bird like sparrows and pigeons and other small birds. Eagle either fly with eagle or fly alone. What we can learn from this? Stay away from the narrow-minded and the small-minded people. Either you fly alone, and this will give you the best chance to deal with yourself. Lesson number 2. Eagle vision is very clear and very strong. Eagle can see its prey from the 5-kilometer distance, and once he set his target, no matter how hard and how difficult the target is, he hunt his target and achieve his goal. So what we can learn from this is that set your target, set your vision and achieve it no matter how hard it is, just like the eagle. Now the lesson number 3. Eagle never eat dead things and dead animals. Eagle always hunt for the live animal. And what we can learn from this mindset is that past is like a dead, which is already gone. So don't waste your energy, your time in the past and focus on your present moment. Focus on your today. The memories, the old memories which hurt you, let them go and say them goodbye. Now the lesson number 4. Eagle loves storms. When the storm clouds comes, eagle enjoy it. Eagle get excited. But other birds are scared and hide when the storm clouds come. But eagle enjoy it, and he take it as a challenge. And he even fly high with the help of wind blows. So what we can learn from this mindset of the eagle? That find the possibilities in the problem, find the opportunities in the challenges. And Napoleon Hill once said that every great challenge brings great opportunities with it. So try to embrace that challenge and try to find the opportunities in each difficulties in each problem. And the day when you start seeing that opportunities in each difficulty, you will going to overcome all your problems. Lesson number 5. Eagle always removes the soft grass from the nest. Why she is doing so? Because she don't want her baby eagle to be in a comfort zone. Because if the baby eagle become comfortable in their nest, they will not going to leave their nest. And mother eagle never want such type of situation. So mother eagle always remove the soft grass. So what we can learn from this is that we as a human being always want to be in a comfortable position. And we never want to get away from this comfortable position. And the more we will be in a comfortable position, comfortable zone, will become lazy. So try to bring out from your comfort zone. Now lesson number 6. Eagle love the painful process. Eagle love the painful process. At the age of 40, when eagle become old, he has to take some painful decision. At that moment, he has to die or take the painful decision. The painful process involved knocking out his beak and removing his talons so that the new talon can grow. And through this process completed in 5 months, and through this painful process, eagle can get 30 more years in his life. So eagle choose this painful process and live life more. So what we can learn from this mentality, that if there is no pain, there is no gain. If there is no pain, there is no gain. Most of us want the success in life, but we don't want to change. It is not possible without the sacrifice, hard work, and heartbreak. It is impossible to get the success. So, to successful in life, to change in life, you should have to willing to change, and for that you have to take some step ahead. You have to leave from some toxic relationship. You have to leave the toxic jobs. You have to get rid of some destructive habits from your life, and the tradition, the mindset which are no longer useful to you. You have to get out from that traditional things. You have to remember that life is just a story, and you have to make a good one. Over to the Toastmaster. Thank you.